Choose a climate-controlled storage unit and pack strategically to simplify a phased move and make staging your home efficient. Plan the layout of your storage like a small warehouse so you can retrieve items in the order you will need them. Measure large furniture and doorways at both properties and pick a unit size that leaves a clear aisle at least 3 feet wide so you can move items without reshuffling everything. For temperature or humidity-sensitive items such as wooden furniture, electronics, photographs, and important papers, choose a climate-controlled unit to prevent warping, mold, and corrosion. Use palletized packing by placing heavy items on wooden pallets raised off the concrete. This protects against damp and makes it easy to move multiple boxes with a pallet jack or dolly. Label every box on at least 2 adjacent sides with room name, a short contents list, and a priority number so you can pull boxes in sequence without opening them. Buy insurance or verify your homeowner policy covers stored goods and keep an inventory with photographs and approximate values. That speeds claims and keeps replacement costs realistic. Common mistakes are underestimating the unit size and stuffing in everything until you cannot access what you need. So reserve a larger unit or rethink what stays in storage and leave an organized center aisle. Another issue is packing sensitive items without climate protection and learning too late they are damaged. So move those items to climate control and use sealed plastic bins for papers and textiles. A third problem is poor labeling and lack of an inventory, which turns retrieval into a scavenger hunt. Solve that by labeling clearly. Keeping a digital inventory with photos and numbering boxes by removal priority so you never open more than you must. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for move-related services and storage transitions while also helping contractors find work by connecting them with nearby projects. We host a discussion community where people share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from others going through similar phased moves.